Historically, people got used to specific print sizes because it's been working like this for ages. The paper was cut into sheets. For example, the standard picture was 5 by 6 inches. And everybody was happy about that. Printing on paper rolls offers the flexibility to create any size, as the width and length of the roll only determine the limitations. You know that you can add a print product of any particular size in Hefest, but you can also add a flexible or custom print size when your clients set any size they want, and Hefest will calculate the price based on the square of the print. So before uploading the image, your customer will set the size. Upload the image, and adjust the size if there is a need. To achieve this task, head over to the printing service, where you can have custom size products you want to sell. Next, add a new product. And choose the custom size option instead of opting for a specific size. Limit the minimum and maximum height and width of the print you can produce. You can also specify certain steps for height and width adjustments, which is particularly useful for canvas prints when working within a specific frame size. Keep in mind that all measurements should be in millimeters. In the following step, we will establish how Hefest calculates pricing. The calculation is based on two factors, the square measurement and the starting or initial price. A single square unit is equivalent to an area of 100 by 100 millimeters or 1 square decimeter. By adjusting these variables, you can determine a price that closely matches your predetermined pricing for fixed sizes. Let's review the table. You can make it in Excel or Numbers on Mac. The left side displays a list of products with predetermined sizes and prices from one of the Hefest workspaces, while the right side showcases custom sizes and corresponding prices calculated by the Hefest algorithm. To see how the picture changes, feel free to adjust the square price and price values. The file can be downloaded for your convenience and utilized in maintaining your custom size print pricing. Set your desired values for your custom size, and you are ready to offer printing products with the sizes set by your customers.